What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Nick, and in today's video we're talking about credit and the benefits of good credit in 2022 and beyond. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright, let me make myself smaller over here. Alright, so the first benefit of good credit in 2022, why you want to fix your credit, have good credit, is low interest rates on credit cards and loans. So the interest rate is one of the costs you pay for borrowing money, and the interest rate you get is often directly tied to your credit score. The less you pay in interest, the sooner you'll pay off the debt and the more money you'll have for other expenses. So it's very, very important if you're trying to get a car, a personal loan, even a mortgage in some cases. You want to have the lowest interest rate as possible so that then your monthly payment is lower and then you could pay the loan off even quicker. So very, very important. Everything in the traditional financial system has interest attached to it. So the way they grade you is on whether you have a good credit score or not, determining whether you're going to get a higher interest rate or a lower one. So let's move on. The second one is a better chance for credit card and loan approval. So the better your credit, the higher your likelihood of getting approved for credit cards and loans over someone with a lower credit score. Banks take these things into consideration when determining who to extend credit to. So again, it's you against everybody else who's trying to apply for credit. Who is the bank more likely to give credit to? Someone with a 500 credit score with several derogatory marks, or someone with a 700 credit score with 0 derogatory marks? You know what I mean? You have a way better chance over those who do not have good credit or who have not cleaned their credit. So it just improves your chances overall. All right, the next one is more negotiating power, which is very important. A good credit score gives you leverage to negotiate a lower interest rate on a credit card or a new loan. If you need more bargaining power, you can take advantage of other attractive offers that you've received from other companies based on your credit score. So these banks will work with you guys. So you don't have to just take what they give you. You know what I mean? You could take, you can ask for counter offers, you know what I'm saying? Show them an offer that you got from another bank and then see if they'll match that offer. Ultimately they want to give you credit. That is what they're there for. They want to extend as much credit as possible. So if you can negotiate and get a good deal for yourself, more than likely they're willing to go with it, because they want you as a customer. They want to give you credit and they want to extend that credit. So keep that in mind. The next one is get approved for higher limits. Very, very important. So your borrowing capacity is based on your stated income, important, and your credit score. So one of the benefits of having a good credit score is that banks are willing to let you borrow more money because you've demonstrated that you pay back what you borrow on time. So very important. We'll go back to the beginning of it when it says your borrowing capacity is based on your stated income. So most banks, is a secret for you guys, most banks do not check for income verification. So whatever you put on that application is what they go off of, and they're not looking for proof. Most are not looking for pay stubs or anything like that. So your stated income and your credit score will get you approved for higher limits. So yeah, and then in one of the videos I have on my channel, you can go ahead to the playlist, I talk about different hacks on how to get higher approvals, like how to demonstrate that you're able to pay back what you borrow with the loan hack, where you're taking out a loan, paying off the 90% in the first month and 10% over the 6 months. And that's a positive trade line that basically demonstrates that you're able to pay back a large amount of money. And like I explained in that video, you're more than likely to get 3 times the amount the next time around you ask for credit. So very important. Go ahead and check that out. All right, the next one is easier approval for rental houses and apartments. So a good credit score saves you the time and hassle of finding a landlord who will approve renters with damaged credit. So if you've ever went to apply for an apartment or a house to rent or anything like that, they always check your credit score, and who are they more likely to lease out to? Someone with a higher credit score or a lower credit score. You know what I mean? It's another advantage. Have your credit score high, have your credit file strong, so you just get easier approvals. It's just no friction. The path of least resistance is what we want to do. All right, so the next one is you get better car insurance rates, which is very important. A lot of people don't know that credit scores are tied to car insurance rates. So insurance companies use information from your credit report and insurance history to develop your insurance risk score. So they often penalize people who have low credit scores with higher insurance premiums with a good credit score. You'll typically pay less for insurance than similar applicants with lower credit scores. So yes, it even helps you with cars and car insurance. So make sure you stay on top of that if you want the lowest rates possible. All right, another one. You can get a cell phone on contract with no security deposit. People with good credit avoid paying a security deposit and may receive a discounted purchase price on the latest phones by signing a contract. So usually when you go and get a new phone, they want you to sign a contract, and if your credit is not up to par, then they want you to put a down payment or pay for the whole phone outright. And you can avoid all this and just have good credit, come in with good credit, and you'll probably have no security deposit, no down payment, or a very small one, and you're able to get on contract and then pay that off monthly over a 2-year plan or whatever the case is. So that is also very important. And the next one is avoid security deposits on utilities. So security deposits are sometimes $100 to $200 and a huge inconvenience when you're relocating. A good credit score means you won't have to pay a security deposit when you establish utility service in your name or transfer service to another location. So keep this in mind when you're moving, switching houses, switching apartments, whatever the case is. Sometimes they do want you to put a deposit down depending on your credit score. The higher your credit score, the higher the likelihood they will not require a deposit because you are a trustworthy borrower and you're more than likely to pay on time. So it's another very important factor to take into consideration. And the next one, I believe this is the last one, you can start a business. So with good credit, if you have good credit, you're able to leverage that and obtain business credit via a personal guarantee. So advantages of business credit are they are usually larger lines of credit, not directly in your name, and business credit does not show up on your personal credit report. Very important. So using your business credit will not affect your utilization on your personal credit like it would if you used a personal credit card. So if you use a business credit card that you got via a personal guarantee from your social security number, but it's in your business's name, whatever you use on that credit card will not show up on your personal credit utilization. So let's say you had a $10,000 business credit card and you used the whole $10,000. Traditionally, that would be 100% utilization, and it would bring your personal credit score down if that was a personal credit card. But since it's a business credit card, it does not report to your personal, so your personal utilization is still unaffected, and it's just strictly on the business side. So that's very important, like a loophole for some people who want to invest or leverage their credit to build business, expand their business without hurting their personal score and being able to still utilize their personal credit. So OPM is other people's money, is how businesses grow and become successful, expand, scale. You need other people's money. You need to leverage the bank's money, basically, to go ahead and grow and become exactly what you want to become. The rich, wealthy, elite people do it, so that is obviously the blueprint. It's proven to work. And that is the end of the video, guys. So I want to thank you all for watching. Go ahead and smash that like button if you enjoyed the video. Help get this out to more people. And tap the subscribe button to help us with our current goal to reach 1,000 subscribers on the channel. And if you have any questions about this, anything I talked about in this video, or anything I talk about on the channel, you can always email me directly at info@tycoontalk.xyz or leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll be sure to read all the comments and respond to the emails in a timely manner to go ahead and help you guys out. And let me know if you have any topics you want me to discuss or go more in depth about. Let me know in the comment section below. And you can check the link in the description for my online store where I have credit repair ebooks. I have credit repair templates. I have a whole bunch of other stuff on there that you can check out if you're interested in repairing your own credit. So go ahead, take a look at that, check that out. And if you like this video, go ahead and check out the other videos on my channel where I talk about making money with cryptocurrency. I talk about consciousness. I talk about the financial markets and much, much more. A lot of information that you cannot Google. It's not going to come up on the first page if you try to Google it. So take advantage of that. Check it out. It's all in a playlist section. Everything's organized for you, so you don't have to go scrolling, looking through the channel, trying to find something. Everything is organized: credit, cryptocurrency, and consciousness. So go ahead and check that out, guys. And as always, may infinite abundance flow to you now and forever, my friends. I will see you again tomorrow. Peace.